In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text using Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on a multilingual project or simply trying to understand a document in a foreign language, this step-by-step guide will be your companion. Let's dive in and make the translation process smooth and efficient together. First, you'll want to open your document in Microsoft Word. Ensure the text you want to translate is included in this file. Having everything organized in one place can save a lot of time and help avoid any confusion. Next, highlight or select the specific text that you wish to translate. This can be a sentence, paragraph, or even an entire section of your document. Highlighting ensures that Word knows exactly which portion you're interested in translating, allowing it to focus solely on that content. Now, look at the top of your Word window. You'll spot a menu called Ribbon. This menu contains numerous tabs, each offering different tools and features to make your document processing more efficient. For our task, navigate to the Review tab. The Review tab is designed for tasks such as proofreading, tracking changes, and yes, translating text. Once you're in the Review tab, find and click on the Translate option. Under Translate, you'll have a choice titled Translate Selected Text, or something similar. Selecting this will prompt Word to initiate the translation process on the text you previously highlighted. After you've clicked to translate the selected text, a pane will appear to the right of your document. This is where the translation magic happens. Don't be intimidated. Everything in this pane is designed to guide you through the steps smoothly. The first thing you'll notice in this pane is an option for the From language. This is usually set to auto-detect, meaning Word tries to figure out the language of your selected text on its own. If Word doesn't get it right, or if you know the language already, you can manually select it to ensure accuracy. Now, focus on selecting the To language. This is the language into which you want your text to be translated. Take your time when choosing to ensure the translation aligns with your needs. After making these selections, wait a moment while Word processes your request and generates the translation. Once it's ready, you'll see the translated text in the pane. Word allows you to insert this back into your document seamlessly. Click Insert to replace the original text with this new translation. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can copy the translation from the pane and paste it wherever you like in your document. And that's it. You've successfully translated text using Microsoft Word. This tool can really simplify projects requiring multiple languages, making it easy to manage everything from one application. Thanks for tuning in, and happy translating.